Lawyers, what complex case hinged on one tiny overlooked detail? Case 25, United States versus Rigas, 2010. In this case, a judge's choice to use a comma instead of a semicolon confused the prison system and required a federal appeals court to step in. The case involved the sentencing of John Rigas, the founder of Adelphia Communications, for fraud. The judge sentenced Rigas to a specific term for one count, to be followed by a term for a second count. However, the written judgment was messy. It listed the counts separated by commas in a way that made it unclear if the sentences were supposed to run at the same time, concurrently, or one after the other, consecutively. The Bureau of Prisons read the document and calculated a shorter release date, thinking the sentences overlapped. The government argued they were meant to be consecutive, adding up to a much longer time in prison. The lawyers had to argue over the grammar of the judgment order. The appeals court noted that typically a semicolon is used to clearly separate independent clauses, or in this case, independent sentences. The use of a comma created a grammatical ambiguity. However, after reviewing the transcript of what the judge said out loud, the court clarified the intent. Result: the court clarified the sentence structure, ensuring Rigas served the longer consecutive term despite the punctuation error.